Hey guys, I am going to be fixing this slime. It's my orange slime. I made it recently, not on my YouTube channel. It's kind of sticky and droopy, so I think it needs to be thicker. Sorry. I think it needs to be thicker, but it's okay. I'm gonna get some shaving cream. That's pretty much all you need. At least I think so. Mix this. Let's close it. Close it. Close it. It needs to be thicker. Right this up. It's a good slime too. Just didn't want it to be droopy and sticky. I mixed it all in. It seems okay. It's not as stretchy as it was. Good. So, slime is good now. This is just a tiny little video and we are done today. And it smells good. It smells really good. And the slime is perfect now. It's not sticky anymore. So, my channel are now all gonna be about DIYs.
I'm gonna miss.